holiday collection. This is new in the shop as of just a couple weeks ago. We are carrying a full line of the Eucalan No Rinse Wool Wash, and we have them both in the 500 milliliter size, which is about 3.3 ounces, and in the travel pods. So if you are on the go, if you want to give one of these as a gift, along with something that you've already knit or crocheted, it's perfect for the person who might not have any wool wash in their home already. So these small ones are $1.50. I have them in jasmine, which smells amazing, grapefruit and lavender, and then also unscented. And then you can also get them in each of those scents in the 3.3 ounce bottles. So that's what we have for our wool wash. And by the way, I keep one of these in my kitchen cabinet for when I'm doing my blocking and my rinsing, and it lasts for so long. It probably lasts me a year, and you know I knit all the time. So um, you could probably even get away with um, two bowlfuls, depending on what you're washing, with one of these pods. Okay. Welcome, Tasha.